So, how to fix WhatsApp enable to connect problem easily and fast. Hello guys, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, and then go to the WhatsApp app. Now, first thing, click on the force stop to stop running the app, and then click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back, click on the data usage. Make sure also right here to enable all the data right here, as you can see. After you enable all those options, go back, click on the internal storage or the storage, click on this clear data, and then click on delete. After that, go back, click on the home page, restart your phone, and then reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.